What's the meaning of Bowling Green? Bowling Green. Bowling Green.
Bowling Green. Bowling Green. Bowling green typically refers to a specifically prepared and maintained area of grass or other natural turf used for playing the game of lawn bowling. The surface of a bowling green is carefully leveled and rolled to create an even playing field, without any bumps or depressions that could impact the game. In addition, the grass is typically kept very short, to allow the bowls to roll smoothly and consistently. In general, a bowling green is a carefully crafted and tended space, designed to facilitate this ancient and engaging game. Its lush grass, smooth surface, and carefully crafted features all contribute to a unique and enjoyable experience for interested players.